Where love takes flight, the kingdom of birds exposes a captivating tale. But can birds be romantic? And do they remain monogamous?
In general, the birds that have more long-term relationships from one year to the next tend to be the bigger birds that live longer. So, owls, cranes, geese, penguins, and then you have birds like albatrosses, which are probably just about the most monogamous animals in the world. There's a bird called a waxwing, which when a male loves a female, he will present her a flower or a berry. Penguins, they're famous for giving each other little stone pebbles. Albatrosses do an amazing dancing routine, which can take years actually out of their lives before they finally settle down with one mate that they'll keep. There's a bird in Australia and New Guinea called the bowerbird. Males spend their entire lives creating these works of art in the forest called bowers that are solely for the purpose of attracting females. It's one of the most complex courtship rituals there is in the world. For a bird, a divorce is exactly the same as it is for a human. They could divorce in the middle of a nesting season if it's really not going well. Or they're a bird like a penguin or something, or a goose that will typically have the same mate year after year, but something happens, they have a terrible nesting season or something and decide they're not meant for each other, and then they go their separate ways. I think birds have very similar emotions in some ways that we do.